I am Jo Martin, I work for Dreams and I am the Chief Marketing Officer. So today it is our exec team and we're here for 2 days to do a team build. We're a relatively new team, so it's a chance to come together to find out, I guess, a lot more about each other. My biggest learning is probably we really should have talked more, had a bit how we are at work, which is we're sort of go-getters, we want to get on with stuff, and so we just want to dive in. And I saw that today play out really quickly, and yet actually even on the way we were starting to debate whether that was the right thing. I would say I have a thing called Think, Plan, Do I talk to my team about, because so often we all just want to get into doing the doing without recognising that thinking and planning is so critical, and to making sure that you land something right first time and you don't waste the time at the end, but you invest the time at the beginning. I think in the office we all have our individual roles, we're experts in those roles and we play to that, you're playing to position. When you come here and you do something like that, it's all sort of taken away. And I think therefore you have that chance to just think about what you're trying to do as a team without thinking about who I am, what I bring. And I think the point where feedback is given, but it's not taken personally in this environment, and that's good, because then you need to react quite quickly to that feedback. I think the danger in your office is that you can take that feedback personally, but I think it's how do you take that lesson of it's not personal, we're just trying to do the best job as a team, and quickly take that feedback on board and use that to be better as a team.
That was easy. What you doing, Nick?